Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and I'm here taking a look at Simply Nook's new line of devices that's coming in the second quarter of 2018. And Simply Nook currently sells a line of Intel Nook computers that come configured in a variety of different ways. One of the things they're showing off here is the new Hades Canyon version that's going to be available this year. But they're also giving a sneak peek at the new HomeBase line of devices, which are essentially Nooks that are going to be configured to have home media server software, media streaming, support for Google and Alexa voice services as well. And it's going to come in a 2 gigabyte, a 5 gigabyte versions. And this thing over here is not actually a computer, it's additional storage, up to 20 terabytes of additional storage. And the idea is that this would sort of slot on top of it with a little bit less of a gap, and you would have the computer with a large amount of storage. So I'm here with, who am I here with?
Aaron Rosso.
And Aaron, you are?
CEO, founder.
So tell me a little bit about HomeBase beside what I just said.
Yeah, so you did a good job. HomeBase is a consumer-based product that's designed to kind of do everything that a lot of these other devices that you have in your house are doing today, but kind of in a mixed method. Instead of having all these different devices doing certain tasks, this is one device that can kind of do everything. And so that's what we're trying to do with the software that we're creating for it, is kind of combine your digital world into one place where you can access it from anywhere, at any time with any of your devices, and have it kind of at your home where you're in control of it, it's your own private cloud, and you can do with it what you want.
Now, you guys have been selling Nooks for a while, and obviously it's the sort of hardware that you can use for home use, you can use for enterprise use, and you can configure it with any software that you want. What's the advantage of buying sort of the home-based version as opposed to making your own home media server?
Yeah, so it's a good question, because I started out using our Nook devices in my own home to try and accomplish what I wanted to with the product. And what it took was 2 or 3 years worth of research and a lot of time not doing it right to figure out how all these pieces come together, and putting actually the partners that are coming on board with the HomeBase Hub that are going to make it happen by all kind of coming together and creating this one device that works for everything.
And in terms of features like Alexa voice service, that's something that out of the box might not necessarily have the hardware to do if you just bought a straight up Nook, right?
Correct, yeah. So we'll have the Alexa voice software along with the Google Home accessibility and those features for people who want them.
And we'll have like far field microphones, or?
Yeah, we're working on a far field microphone communication for it, so you can shout at it from across the room or from the couch and tell it what you want it to do. Show me my front door camera, right? While you're watching TV, if the doorbell rings, tell it to show you your camera, and your show stops and your front camera comes up, and you go there if you want to or you don't.
So we're expecting the starting price to be, what, about $399 for this?
Yep, $399. We're probably going to be in the $899 range for the 5 terabyte. And then this box will cost you probably around a $900 range. We haven't really priced it out yet, but trying to make it affordable so there's some value there and something that everybody's going to want.
And in terms of this larger box, again, it's not a full-fledged computer on its own right. What it is 4 drive bays, 2.5-inch drive bays that are going to have 5 terabyte drives in it for a total of 20 terabytes of additional storage. So when you say $900, it's kind of a lot of money, but it's also a lot of storage.
Correct. Yeah, that would be with the storage, not the enclosure, but the actual storage populated.
Right, and could you buy it with like less storage if you wanted to add some later? Or?
We haven't made that decision yet, but I could see that happening as a kind of a starting point that you can add to.
Great. So that's the HomeBase, which is a new line of products coming in the second quarter of 2018 from Simply Nook. You can find more information at the website simplynook.com or homebasehub.com, I believe. You can find more information at liliputing.com, including links to all of those as well. So this is Brad Linder with Liliputing. Thank you very much.